guess I looked at that. Okay.
Is it going?
Yep.
Great. We'll edit that out.
That's fine.
Okay. Hi. So today we're going to be talking about a bacteria called Campylobacter Coli. That's its species name. So yeah, have you ever heard of that bacteria before? Okay. So we're going to tell you a little bit about that.
C. coli are gram-negative, and they're in an S-shaped rod, and they're also microaerophilic, which means they only need a little bit of oxygen to survive.
So symptoms that you would have with this disease would be similar to food poisoning, diarrhea, upset stomach, things like that. Like she said, it's a gram-negative bacteria, so it will stain the outer membrane of the cell and the nuclear DNA inside the cell.
The disease is actually found more commonly in the environment in the mammals and birds, and the most common route that it comes through is your mouth, so any oral. Then after that, it's generally fecal oral route that actually comes in, so or transmitted between humans as well. Eating like not really well prepared foods like undercooked meats or anything like that, specifically poultry, and anything that's contaminated like drinking water wise, that's how it can be passed through, especially orally.
So like we already said, if you do get this infection, you're going to experience a lot of diarrhea and vomiting, so a big issue is dehydration. So to treat this, we usually don't give any prescription drugs to treat it because it's what's called self-limiting, so you'll get over it in a few days if you're a healthy individual. But if somebody's elderly or they're really young, they don't really have a strong immune system yet, so they can't fight off the infection. So in that case, we would treat it with drugs. We usually would give 2 antibiotics instead of 1, and we treat it really aggressively with a higher dose than normal. And so that's to help prevent resistance. So resistance is a huge problem with C. coli, and that's basically when the bacteria have mutated in a way that they're no longer, the drugs no longer work to kill the bacteria. So we have to use a lot of the drug to help kill the bacteria.
Okay, so then, so my part is adverse effects. And with those prescriptions that she was talking about, antibiotics, with that, they're not specific for that bacteria, for the Campylobacter. So what that means is that it's also going to affect your own cells, unfortunately, but that's just how that works. So then with that, what that causes, it can actually destroy the beneficial bacteria that are in your stomach, or not in your stomach, excuse me, in your intestine. And that's going to actually cause a lot of the diarrhea and a little bit more nausea and vomiting. So, but with the adverse effects, so it's like severe adverse effects, we have to be careful with people who have like cardiac dysfunction or cardiac issues, because it can actually like exacerbate those cardiac functions. So we just have to be more aware when we're treating someone who has Campylobacter Coli about that. And it also can affect like neurological, so just like neurological function. So that would be like maybe memory, like forget to do some things, and just delusion or like delirium, just impairment of
Being confused.
Yeah, just being just confused.
Prevention of the disease, the best way to prevent it is proper food hygiene, so like washing your hands after doing a certain meal, making sure your meat is properly cooked.
Do you have any questions for us? So,
Did we find you?
I mean, I don't want that.
so yeah, you want it to be to properly, if you get infected, just stay hydrated.
And then just to see I guess if you were to go to emergency care or to just go see maybe your doctor, just to see how to further treat that.
I think you're experiencing it.
Yeah. But it's not as common in the US. You don't have to worry about like eating somewhere. Having to happen.
I'm gonna stop eating now.
Very cool. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.